Hello, today we're making KFC style popcorn chicken. This is a perfect snack for a party to share with friends and family. The popcorn chicken is so crispy outside and juicy inside, and very delicious, and also very easy to make. Let's get started. So in this recipe, we will need 1 chicken breast, which is going to be about 10 ounces, or you can use chicken thighs. To marinate the chicken, I'm using salt, garlic powder, red chili powder, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and also milk. And all the other ingredients are going to be for the deep fry coating. I'm using more cornstarch than flour because it will give a more crispier taste than regular all-purpose flour. Okay, we will start by marinate the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar or white vinegar, and 4 tablespoons of milk. Mix everything together and refrigerate to marinate for about 1 hour. Next, we will pour 1 cup of cornstarch in a mixing bowl. Add half cup of flour and all the other spice, which is half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix them all together and set it aside. And now we will beat 1 egg in a bowl and set it aside as well. After 1 hour, we will take the chicken out of the fridge. Pour in the beaten egg and we can starting to coat the chicken. Add the chicken piece into the flour mixture and then shake off the excess. Follow the same steps for the rest of the chicken cubes. And once we're done with the first coating, we will starting to coat them again for the second coating. We will dip the chicken pieces into the marinade and then into the flour mixture again to get a thicker layer. And also shake off the excess flour. And once we are done with the second layer, we can starting to deep fry. First, we will heat up the oil to 325 to 350 Fahrenheit. You can also check by putting a chopsticks in the wok, and if you see many bubbles coming from the tip of the chopsticks, that means the oil is hot enough. Now we can place the chicken in 1 by 1. We can cook in 2 to 3 batches and fry them for about 3 minutes. And then we will take them out. Right now, it doesn't have to be golden brown because we will increase the oil temperature and deep fry them for the second time. And that will make the chicken very crispy. So now heat up the oil to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We will deep fry all the chicken in 1 batch for the second time. Once all the chicken turned golden brown, it's all done. Right now it's super crispy. It's so delicious. Serve it with your favorite dipping sauce and listen to the sound. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.